In this lesson, we're going to be talking about the keyboard, exactly how to use it on computers and what to expect in regards to it. Now, typing is what it's called to be entering information into the computer. Previously there was, of course, typewriters, and this is an incredibly similar format to it, just a more up-to-date modern version of it. So essentially, when it comes to this is considered then the keyboard. I do want to say that keyboards do come in different sizes, and that comes down to it being, can be typically smaller than this. This is considered a desktop keyboard. A laptop one will be probably two-third the size of this, meaning like it's kind of shrunken down a little bit. It doesn't mean that the keys are smaller, but it's just like more compressed, and some of the things are actually adjusted and moved out of the way. So just, keep that in mind. Typically when it comes to like laptops, you're not going to always have the buttons here like this or like these. It's going to be more something in regards to like this and then pretty much the rest of that. And sometimes too, you're not going to have exactly the same exact like sized keys is what these are called. Now, the ones that are typically more different is going to be some of the bigger ones, such as like the spacebar here is going to be smaller on a laptop and things of that sort. But regardless here, this is a keyboard, and keyboards are incredibly important because this is how you really get around on your computer and also the internet. Whatever you want to learn about, this is how you enter that information to your computer. Now, typing, as I said previously, is, how you get information from basically your head to the computer. The skill of typing is a whole other skill in itself, and over time what you'll want to be able to do is be able to use both your hands while typing and not even looking down. Now, if you're new to using a computer and things of that sort, chances are you're not going to be perfect right away, and no worries about that. I think in the beginning the most important thing is to essentially have some understanding in regards to where the keys are, and then also just being able to be comfortable enough to use it in the first place, which is a huge step forward. So with that said here, I would show you a picture of a laptop keyboard, but I'm saying it's going to be pretty much exactly the same, just shrunken down, minus those other parts we had talked about previously. And then when it comes to, again, typing, worry about that later on, but it will be important in the future to be more comfortable with that, so that way you can navigate your computer faster than otherwise just using your finger to type in information. And I also even have some courses here as well that can really help you with typing too. But regardless here, I just wanted to then go over and show you that this is really going to be something that you want to learn over time. Don't be overwhelmed in the beginning. Just essentially do your best, and then maybe after a couple of months, or if you're feeling like you want to do it even faster, maybe after a week or so, try to get faster while using the keyboard, and that'll really help your experience while being online using your computer. Otherwise, if you have any questions as well, please let me know.